It's a new 2019 GMC YUKON. Kids, cargo, groups, gear. You can carry it all with this YUKON. And get ready for an impressive combination of features. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, doors and push-button start proximity key, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, heated steering wheel, automatic transmission, hands-free liftgate, magnetic fluid-filled shocks, and power tilt-down heated mirrors. Edmonds.com finds it boasts substantially more towing capability than crossovers while also delivering a higher degree of burliness and solidity. GMC, professional-grade vehicles suited to fit your needs. See what it can do for you when you take it for a test drive.
The deals won't get any better than they are every day at Ferguson Buick GMC. The customer service is great too. We are conveniently located off I-35 and West Robinson Street in Norman, Oklahoma.